Hello and welcome. This is how to install Unity Hub and the altspace uploader. To get this link, if not in the world or on YouTube or on my Udemy course, which is the Joy of Unity Creating Forests, you will do a DuckDuckGo search or Google search for Unity Hub altspace uploader, and you should find a Microsoft document that gives you this page. So we're going to install the Unity Hub, then we're going to install Unity version 2020.3.18, but bear in mind that will change. It's all changed in 2 weeks, so it's going to keep changing that. So you've got to keep an idea of which is the most compatible version of Unity for altspace. And then we want to download the latest Unity uploader for altspace, which is that one. Both which are important. Once you've got the Unity Hub going and you've found the right version, we'll cover in a minute, you need to include Android, Mac and Windows. Right, so in Unity, as long as you're making less than 100,000 a year, you can have this stuff for free. Other than that, you have to buy the Pro subscription model. Now, download for Windows, download for Mac, your choice, whatever computer you're using. And you'll end up with hopefully the Unity Hub. Once you've got the Unity Hub, you have tabs: Projects, Learn, Community, Installs. Projects is where you create stuff, installs is where you install stuff. So we need to install, we ignore all front page, we need to get to the download archive. Download archive, we then need to scroll down and find the tabs that allow us to get to Unity 2020. We're behind the bleeding edge and the cutting edge for a bit more stability, and we need to scroll down and find whatever version it is. At the moment it's 2020.3.18. It's the most compatible version of Unity for altspace, but that will change, so you need to keep checking the first page to see if which is the most compatible and which one they're supporting. This is all very beta, so there's going to be lots of changes. We've had a massive change already. So now we've got Mac support, we want to support Mac support, Android support and Windows. All three need to be ticked so we can build for all three platforms, because it's cross-platform, one of the brilliant things about altspace. Next is an optional thing, Microsoft Visual Studio Community. You can install that to be able to code stuff. Personally, I don't like using that because I don't like having to triple log in, so I use Atom. But if you're really not going to do any coding in Unity, then skip that step. Once you're installing, it will end up with something like this coming up, and even when it's installed, there's these three dots that you can use to actually add extra modules. So if you change your mind about coding and want to install that one, you can. Coding isn't used in altspace except when it comes to MREs, and that's not really supported by Unity, I believe, because Unity is more into C# coding. Anyway, that's all further down the line. What you need to know is once you've installed Unity Hub and installed 2020.3.118 with Android, Mac and Windows support, you'll end up being able to create a project in the Project tab. Let's see if we can see the Project tab up there. So you click on the Project tab, and then to the URP, you need to choose URP render pipeline, and I've said 2021 November URP altspace start 1. And then once that's installed, you should end up with this, but you won't get the altspace tab at the top. To get that, you need to go to Windows Package Manager. So go to the top to Windows, drop down Package Manager. In Package Manager, you go to the plus at the top there, add package from tarball, and you add TGZ file that you downloaded, the altspace uploader at the beginning, which is teleport, which is this one here. Download the latest Unity uploader. So you've downloaded that, and then that will give you this package to install. So you add package from install, and that's how you get this magical altspace VR kits and templates uploaded. So that means that things that you create in Unity you can then upload and use in altspace. Kits and templates. Now, one of the problems I had was this error: failed to resolve, project template failed to compress, and that was due to having an out-of-date hub, so I had to re-update the hub. But you may not need to do that because you're downloading the hub straight already, so it should be up to date. So that's how to get going with Unity and altspace, and in further tutorials, and also check on YouTube how to get going with Unity and altspace. The start of the adventure. See you.